Hey Southwest Florida, Braden Milner here, back with your can't miss weekly real estate market update. So stay tuned because we've got some numbers that you'll definitely want to hear. Starting with interest rates, we see a very marginal decrease to 7.29% from last week's 7.3%. It's a very, very small change, but every bit counts when you're talking mortgages. Now let's dig into listings. We've essentially held steady with 412 new listings this week, just a hair down from last week's 416. This consistency indicates that inventory is stabilizing, giving buyers more options. Speaking of buyers, the number of sold properties jumped from 200 last week to 256 this week. This uptick is a strong sign of continuing buyer demand. Pending listings also remained steady at 274, up a smidge from last week's 272, reinforcing that buyers are active and engaged. Expired listings are also pretty much in the same ballpark, with 62 this week compared to 59 last week. Not much change there, which is a good sign of market stability. And lastly, the figure that everyone's been watching, the median sales price. So hold on to your hats. It's up to $420,000, a considerable jump from last week's $383,000. This suggests that buyers are focusing on higher priced properties. So what's the takeaway? Well, we've got a stable market in terms of new and pending listings, an uptick in properties sold, and a significant increase in the median sales price. All of these point to a healthy, robust market with buyers willing to invest in more expensive properties. As always, if you need more insights or have questions, you know where to find me. Call me at 239-634-8639 or shoot me an email at contact@bradenmilner.com. That's all for this week. Stay tuned for the next update and take care, Southwest Florida. And make sure to follow the channel for more videos just like this daily.